Today we're playing video games in an arcade. Here's my friend Aiden.
Yeah, so we're gonna play a couple of games in the arcade and see how many tickets we can win. Let's go.
We're not gonna. So, here we go. So now we're going to play another game. We're going to play this game. I want to be blue.
I'll be red.
So ready? Here's my character.
Let's both do it.
Ready? I'm pulling. So you got one. Here he goes.
Ah, it's not reeling. I think my thing's broken.
Oh, yours is working.
Exactly. I agree with you, dude. Oh, I got one.
I got one.
I got one. I got another one. Your turn.
Okay, now it's time to go bowling.
I'll do it. I'm gonna. Okay. All right. All right. We're just gonna go bowling real quick. Be back in a second. Let's watch this.
You have to videotape.
That's it. Just watch it.
Okay. We're gonna put you guys right here.
She's really good. Oh, she's so good.
But now we could just have a random.
So, can I show, hey, Livy, can I show them the bowling alley around, like around? All right. Come on, let's get this. She has to get it right in that gap to fill it in, and oh, she was so close.
Like I got 50.
And me, I had no problem.
He has 41. He's still losing, so yeah. Told you. So now we are going to the arcade to play some more games. We're going to play the same game because we're really good at it.
Come on.
Oh yeah, we're going to play Crossy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I died.
Honestly? Are you kidding me right now?
So here are...
Player versus player. All right, we're going to go. Oh my god, I died! You suck, man. Jump!
It says swipe card.
I don't know what that means, because we already swiped our card. So it's
Yeah.
so weird. It says swipe card still. Uh-oh!
Okay, we're going to go play this game again. So we're really good at it.
What's this? I got one!
Roller hook.
Come
No.
on!
Got one. I guess just...
Roller hook. Yes! Oh, I got one!
Why is it saying 0 tickets?
For some reason it's weird. These games are so broken in this place. Drop hook!
Okay, I am going.
Really? Oh,
So I'm going to swipe our card. What? It's not working, guys.
yeah, let's go back across the road.
Yeah.
That seems to be working out. Run!
You guys are gonna go.
I won.
So I have to go to the bathroom. So you're gonna go with them and watch us bowling. Watch bowling, and you could entertain them.
No, I'm gonna play some more games. I don't know about my parents.
No, just entertain.
Parents don't want to be on YouTube.
So that you just like
that.
Yeah, go play more games.
All right.
Don't show the swipe card.
Not. All right, so I'm gonna play more video games. I'm gonna play Crossing Road because it's so much fun. While Olivia's going to the bathroom, it's so much fun. I love it. All right, here's me. Oh my God, I really suck. Oh, she fell into the water. All right, restart. We're gonna restart this one. Wait, there we go. Come on! What's going on here? Still says sweet. Go, come on! Oh my God! It's on me! It's on me! Dude, it's on me! I can't show my player on here. Where the heck am I? I'm like dead here. Hurry up, game! Show me! Oh! I'm doing really good here. Hope I don't die. Run, go! Oh, get wrecked, chicken. Chicken, alright. So I'm gonna go here playing tipping blocks. This game's really hard to play while holding something. Alright. Let's play. Sure. I'm going bowling for Olivia. I gotta be right back. Bye. Real quick. Watch me play for Olivia. Let's see me playing with bumpers, baby. What's up?
Let's show them the prizes. Let's go show. Let's go show them the prizes. So here are the prizes. We want handcuffs.
it's so cool. It's toy handcuffs. Oh, wait. Go back over here.
No, I'm just showing them everything.
Go right there.
I already showed them that. See, here are the handcuffs. Then there are all the...
Yeah, those are all the major prizes that cost a lot, or they're just really big, cheap prizes.
Yeah,
So,
like...
this one is one for $4.50 right here. What do you call it again? Blowhorn. The blowhorn right there for $4.50. I don't know if you can see it.
No, the glitter pony.
Play some more games, so we can win prizes. Alright,
No, I'm gonna play.
No, I'm gonna play this. This is my game, dude.
You don't have to move this. You can just move whatever you want. Oh my god, guys, he's winning. Okay,
I'm doing so good.
So,
Let's go win. This is so fun. Come on, go over there.
okay, what we playing? I call blue. Here, so. Guys, we just...
Lower hook.
He always,
I swear these ends are broken so bad, dude.
like he always comes over here and swipes on the floor.
I got one.
Get pollution. Get those underwear.
What? What do you mean? Oh my god, there's underwear there. Just I got one. Come on, yes. I'm doing so good.
More underwear. Get the underwear.
Oh, I have to get the underwear. Oh, I got it. I got the octopus. Oh, I thought that like 2 points.
So, now we are going to play deal or no deal. Okay, I inserted. I'm going to press. There's a card. I'm gonna press. I pressed it, guys. 75. Okay, we gotta go.
It's our turn?
Yes. So this time I'm gonna come here before you.
See how good Olivia can do with bumpers. It's a gutter ball! It's a gutter ball! Oh my god, I think we'll have to get someone! Oh my god! Dude, we'll have to get it!
Guys, it got...
We'll have to get that one! Yeah. This side. There we go. Oh, that's not. Oh, we'll have to play with the hard balls. I bet you get them. Dude, I have to. Olivia. Gutter ball. I'm gonna have to get the gutter ball because I have no bumpers. It doesn't count. I thought it knocked it down there.
So I'm gonna go take you guys to the arcade.
Olivia, I have to play.
I know.
What?
Alright, go hit the ball.
Sorry guys, I was fixing my hair. So, gonna play this. Okay. Let me swipe my card. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Didn't work, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go back and see Aiden. Back peanut fry. So here's our board.
Alright, I know I got 1 point. Exactly.
Glasses, pucks, pictures first.
So I'm gonna buy. Okay, I'm getting more on my card. Okay, I got more on the card.
No way you are gonna play this.
I'll mess it up. I'm not letting you press it.
What?
I'm not.
You pressed it. Oh, let me get out of the way. I have to play.
Like,
Record. What happened? I'm going to.
no, I am playing.
I'm playing.
No, I have to. I know what the
No,
key.
me too.
No, it's not number 9. It's number 8. Cause last time I played, it was number 8. Let me swipe.
Number 8, go.
Okay, swiped. Guys, we are pressing this one. And we are going to press 8. Oh, deal. Pressing. Okay, let me insert the credit. Okay. Or take them off.
Wait, we're done.
Wish we could play in the arcade again.
No, you can't play in the arcade.
Okay, guys. It is time to end this video. Thank you for watching. So, peace, love, and see you.